Hello everyone and welcome back to a newest wrap virus journey episode, and this time I'm saying hi from Germany, Munich car wrap company. Here with me I have Martin and Tim. Please introduce yourself a little bit more and tell us about your business.
Hi Vidas, thank you. I'm Martin. I have the company together with my partner Tim. We have a small PPF job in the south of Bavaria, so south of Munich. We are working together since 10 years, I would say. And we are even in the industry for 10 years. We figured out that our favorite job in the wrapping industry is the PPF. More and more with doing colored PPF.
So what is your main services? You do as an entire like a paint protection film, color PPF, do you do like coatings, wrapping, so services you provide?
Yeah, mainly we do like 95% of PPF jobs on nearly every car, like sports car, normal car, or like camper van even. A little amount of some color changing, normal PVC color changing, and also a lot of ceramic coating.
Can you tell me your most memorable project you have worked on? Maybe some car, some project, I know, movie or something. What do you think it was like project you can't forget about?
Yes, it was the Lamborghini Sian with Martin together. It was a very special project because we had the big opportunity and the chance to template the car, to build the templates for this car. So everybody who wraps now this Lamborghini Sian is using our templates, and that was like unforgettable. We never forget. Because it was 2 weeks of work, and we did the first PPF on this car in the world, and yeah.
Nice. So can you tell me what separates you from your competitors?
I think the service, and sorry for saying that, but the coolness, I think.
Okay.
Yeah. And the coffee here.
Oh, okay. We have a nice coffee here?
Yes.
Yeah, we have. I think, there are a lot of good installers out there. They do a crazy good job on the cars, but some customers don't know why is it so expensive, why do I pay more on that job and less on the other shop. One company only applies the templates like there is. Shops like we give the opportunity to the customer to see, do I want the template so it's quicker and easier with short edges, or should we cover every edge on the car? It raises the price, but you have a better result. And we show the customer on the computer, how do you want that edge, and we explain and show the customer on other customer cars how we work, why we remove the mirrors or why we don't remove the mirrors, something like this, and the customer can choose what he wants.
Yeah, like we are fully transparent.
Okay.
To the customer.
Please tell me, how is to work two of you, like two business partners? It's easy to handle everything? How are you handling workflow? Normally to work with someone is not easy.
No, it works because we are best friends. We grew up while learning wrapping. I started 10 years ago, he started 11 years ago. He was my teacher. After I reached his level of wrapping, we did everything together. 1 year ago we lived together, and just be nice, share everything and be best friends.
Okay,
yeah.
Cool. Please tell me top 3 brands from PPF which you choose to work and you think you like them.
Our main company we are working with is XPEL. Second one is Legend PPF. They have a really nice film, super stretchy, nice adhesive. And for colored PPF we are using CYS.
Nice, thank you. What about vinyl wrap? I understand you don't do much, but let's say 3 brands you use in your shop.
Yeah, it's mainly the 3 biggest brands in my opinion. It's 3M, great film, always works. Then Avery, easy to install. Everybody knows who's in the industry, and Orafol. Yeah, that's the brands we grew up with.
So talking about color paint protection film, this is like a new thing. Everyone is jumping on it. What do you think about this product, and what is advantages and disadvantages compared to the vinyl wrapping?
Colored PPF is very different to the normal wrapping, I would say. A lot of shops have quality problems because they think it's a new kind of wrapping film, but it's different. You have to work and stretch different. You have other problems to solve, how to tuck under small plastic trims and something like this, and even inlays are working different. So it's a new time for you have to work like a PPF installer and not like a car wrapper. You have other problems to solve, and it's way more time consuming than wrapping, because it's not installing, cutting, heating, finished. So you have to check every edge 5 to 10 times.
Okay, thank you. Can you name to me 3 tools you cannot work with? You don't imagine your day without these 3 tools.
Maybe I have something in my pocket I'm using. So, okay, a knife and a squeegee is standard. This is a tool I'm always using. It's like the dentist tools. It's a metal tucking tool, and I'm using it on my project a lot for colored PPF to tuck the film under the rubber.
Okay, cool. And what kind of squeegee?
Like this one.
Okay.
Yeah, so Tim is using one from Rap Gear. It has a different shape like the normal pink one. I use the pink one always on that shape. It's nice for bigger surfaces like a hood, and you have that small area. It's more flexible, and it's nice in the hand.
Shout out to Dimas. Dimas, I love you. This is the first squeegee he gave to me 3 years ago.
And you still...
Yes.
You see it?
Yes.
He's using
Yes.
it all the time.
Okay, cool. So 3 years.
Yeah.
Nice, because some people throw the squeegee after one car.
No, you see, I cut also here the edges, and I sharpen it all the time. And yeah, but.
And what would be your top 3 tools you cannot imagine your day without?
Yeah, like a car wrapper or PPF installer, it's a squeegee, it's a knife, and it's a tucking tool. Maybe a tucking tool like this, or a tucking tool like on your microphone. But I have one here. This is, I use it a lot. It's a little safety knife, just to be sure, you know. You always can, it always can happen a little bit of whoopsie, and here you can prevent it to happen. Yeah, it's like you don't cut the car. If you have some excess areas and you cut the vinyl off, and yeah.
So you just get using it to cut excess film,
Yes.
not like cutting in the gaps.
No. Just excess film, cutting away, and it can happen all the time. Just prevent that it's not happening to cut in the paint.
It's like a smaller tool, like normally like people use like snitty, you know. This is kind of different version of that. Nice.
Rainer invented it.
Okay, nice.
And for PPF installing, I would say the keg, the big tint keg, because I see a lot of installers working with spray bottles, and it's super horrible doing a whole car only with spray. You know how it is to flush all the edges with distilled water, and it's so more comfortable to have a nice keg with a nice sprayer handle where you can adjust the nozzle. And we have a lot of tint kegs here. We're only 2 guys, but I think we have 6 or 7 kegs all around the cars, and makes things even easier.
Next to me we have this beautiful M2. So what you gonna do with it?
Actually, we didn't start to put some PPF on it now, but it just the front, hood and the fenders, just the front.
Then we see this bright blue Corvette.
Yeah.
It's here for the color change, for PPF.
One full PPF on this car. It's like 80% done.
How long it takes to do car like this for you?
5 days.
5 days, okay, yeah.
5 days.
It's a little bit complicated. I look at the shape and it's like, yeah, that's...
A lot of pieces.
Yeah, a lot. So I see as well one more project right there. Boring gray to amazing blue. I love this blue.
Yeah.
So this is a color paint protection film, as I understand.
It is.
Nice.
Yeah. Martin is working on it. Like you said, it's colored PPF from the brand CYS. And
full color change, yeah, with the color PPF.
Yes.
Amazing. You have a coffee shop upstairs. Who of you are barista?
Come. We both. Come on. Let's get a coffee.
You will need to teach me how to not to do bad coffee.
I will.
Now we're gonna serve you with the best coffee in Germany, but next to Munich. I don't know exactly area because for me German names are too complicated. Before you mentioned this was like Bavarian. What location of this? How we call it?
Wolfratshausen. Yeah.
That's what he said.
Yeah. So what kind of coffee do you want? Espresso or cappuccino, latte macchiato, americano? We have everything here. Or you want a gin?
Oh, gin and tonic.
Yeah.
Before our trip, let's go for gin and tonic. So how often do you drink coffee during a day? Every day?
I don't want to say that. No, it's about 2 or 3 times, not that much.
Okay. And all the time you make by yourself with these machines? Yeah? Nice. Yeah. So can we see the process? Can you tell me how many cars do you wrap during the year?
Oh, that's
You can start counting.
I would say around 80 to 120.
Okay, nice. I see that's solid number for, of course, 2 professional installers. Every week you push at least 2-3 cars, 2 cars. Yeah, nice. How often you take holiday?
I was on holiday 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago.
This year?
Yes, this year, the first time since 3 years.
That's good. As an installer, that's good. And you?
I mean, we are working a lot of hours, but I would say twice a year we take a little break. Tim was in Thailand with his girlfriend, and I was on a motorcycle trip in Croatia. So yeah, we have a lot of work, but a little break. You need a little break. Yeah.
This coffee, I like these things. This is a process, but yeah, it takes time. And sometimes it's just easier to go to petrol station and buy one.
Yeah, that's true. Martin?
So now is the time for a true. It is the best coffee in Germany or not?
It better is.
Okay. Tell that name again. It's just I cannot pronounce German places. Finger up. Approved. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Certified. It's okay. Thank you very much for having us. We know that you were very busy today, but thank you for giving us a time and film video this with us. Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you.
So, don't forget to subscribe, follow us, and check their company. And I will see you next time.